Hello, it's Nicholas from Affiliate Marketing Info Channel. It's a cheap Gora product review. So, what exactly is the cheap Goria? It's the new free traffic app finally track your YouTube algorithm. Software will generate SEO links while building massive subscriber lists and putting in push button commissions. This is also newbie friendly. You can immediately learn it. Software only require free traffic. You choose to build lists on autopilot. You can also spy on competitor video and steal their best keyword. Generate hottest hashtags for social media traffic. Thumbnail creator with 3 billion copyright free images. This is newbie friendly. It is also low one-time cost. Also today, when you get this, you will also have their commercial license. So what is exactly is the software? Let's take a look in my bonus page. TubeGuria is the unique software will track your YouTube algorithm and steal your competitor secret. You will also to generate high quality SEO and also to rank your videos. This is also very helpful if you also to rank more higher. This is also to drive massive traffic. This is definitely you could use this extremely move to brand your YouTube channel. So I want to help you out. At all, I included some exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1 is the video course. Discover how to rank your videos high on YouTube. Just to implementing a few ninjas hack. Bonus number 2 is a free set of 10 YouTube cover photos for in variety of niches. Bonus number 3 is the video course how to easily utilize video editor to edit, twist, optimize for high converting video marketing campaign. Bonus number 2 is the WordPress website. It helps you to 10x your opt-in rate with this YouTube engagers. This is a WordPress problem if you have a website. Bonus number 5 is the urgency search poll. Is a very special software. You can import into your website landing page as well as your email. This is a countdown timer. Before the countdown timer, the visitor will grab your freebie or something like freebie like a freebie video, audio or audio or video, something like that. You will have a timer. This is also you and increase your conversions to grab this before the countdown timer hits 0. This is definitely you can use this for your landing page or the website. Bonus number 3 is the 5 ways to build your authority on your YouTube. It is also not easiest to give your authority to keep growing your YouTube subscriber. The course will teach you how to use it. Bonus number 7 is a YouTube quick start. If you are new to YouTube, it will take you from newbie to master in a short time. With this package, it will teach you how to quick start to your succeed in your YouTube. Bonus number 8 is the video blocking profit. Create your first simple video blog and generating profit from it. They will teach you how to make these viral videos and become the next video superstar. This is also we call it a V-blogger. Right? This is have different niche. They also have put their interest in order to grab their attention and grow their subscriber. When more subscribers in your YouTube, there is also possibilities to make more sales. Bonus number 9, you will get all the exclusive bonus in the by vendor. Because you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. You will get all the exclusive bonus within the Warrior purchase file. When you click this blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus. Don't forget you will if you are interested in this product, please stay with me till the end of the video. I will walk through everything inside the members area. Don't forget you could get my bonus page inside in under in the description. The first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look what's inside in the members area. This is also divided into two. The main members area is training to how to use it. Introduction. The first video is introduction to Tube Korea. Is how to set up your you choose with this software Tube Korea. The first step is how integrate this app into your YouTube channel, and let's then to this is the first step. The second video is set up auto reply. If you someone reply to your video, your video, what you have to compile. If you have busy enough, and you have to set some keywords used and then the software will auto reply to your customer. How to use auto command to build your list. This is not only to build your list. Comment in your video. You are not only to build your list. Also, to build your list is the first priority in any online business. But this is not strict, only limited to build your list. This is also to direct them to any offer. Affiliate offer. If you have your product and also your CPA offer, a landing page. Also, anything you can do is to use the auto command. This using the trending hashtag tool is a very powerful tool you can use, because the hashtag is used in social media. If you have a trending hashtag in your video, your video will get more traffic from this social media platform. It is very powerful. You will editing videos from the ad. You don't have to click edit in your video. You just can edit within the app. How to other than you edit in YouTube channel. And this is all using the keyword finder. This is also a very powerful. You can use this because you just spy your competitor in your YouTube. You just type the keyword and find the keyword, and also find some your competitor with a ton of video viewer, and then you can spy what are their keyword, and then you put in your YouTube video. You will definitely increase your YouTube ranking. It is definitely powerful tools you could use. And also this video is using auto reply to build your. This is something similar to the auto command to build your. This is also not only to build your. This is also can will direct them to anything you want. CPA offer your product or review or your blog your social media. If you want to like your Facebook page join your Facebook group and like follow your Instagram. This is something very anything you can do this. This is also when we're using the thumbnail creator. This is a thumbnail creator you can see in the video. But before the video uses the thumbnail, how to grab and more people to see your video is have a head and eye-catching thumbnail. How to use it? If you want to use it in your Canva. Canva is the free editor. You can use to this is a free to use software. But you can create your thumbnail for your YouTube. But you have to search an image for your thumbnail. But if you need this thumbnail creator, you can search over 3 million as I mentioned in the sales page. You have over 3 million free image. You can use this within this software. When you search the image and then you can create your thumbnail creator within the app. This is the last video. Using the link wheel tool. This is also a very powerful. You can use this. If you have different wheel and you can different video. Then what is the video? Other video you will link to a main Monday link video. You can use it as a very powerful. So let's take a look. So don't forget, you will get all my exclusive. Don't forget, you will got all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. When you hit this blue button, and also you will go to the Tube Korea and go to this button, any button, blue yellow button, and purchase. You will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer, and you will see the my bonus page link in the first in the description. This is the first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look what's inside the members area. This is also the first step is set up your channel. Channel manager is channel manager is like, comment, video manager, playlist manager, MP forum, video library is search the video. Just input your keywords. My template is auto is about the template is auto reply and auto comment templates. Search tool this is also very powerful. You can search by the video. You could search by the channel. You could search by playlist. This is when you after you put in your keyword, you will have a result from 15 to 200. This is also ordered by the video with ordered by the data and rating relevance. You just definitely you can use it. Keywords tool. This is also I mentioned it before. You can search keywords to video. You will input the video idea and then you will search what is their video idea, what is their keywords you can use. The trending hashtags it is also best used for your social media. Thumbnail credit I also mentioned it before. Video SEO tool and this is the SEO tool I mentioned in the last video. How to rank your use the link well. It is also included in this video search. It's also you can have a report about the reply and comment video when all of it are inside in the members in this software. You can integrate it for you. This is very powerful. Use definitely you could grab this tutorial. Also, lastly I go through what you will get inside when you upgrade. You will get all of the $70 with downsell $47. Upsell number is tutorial unlimited $67 downsell with $47. This is unlimited. No limitation for the number of video and action, and also you will have plus extra features. Upsell number 2 is tutorial done for you. This is also have everything is done for you. Landing page or emails fire and bonuses. 197 come with $97 downsell. Upsell number 3 is YouTube tutorial. You will get a retargeting personal on their sales page. $97 downsell $67. YouTube tutorial tutorial reseller $97 done with $67 downsell. You will get 100% of commissions while you purchase while you promote this product. Upsell number 5 is 12 weeks group training with the vendor. This is $1977 with downsell $57. I will highly recommend you can grab it. This is very affordable. Last upsell is Tutorial bundle $77 with downsell $57. You will get their 5 of their previous launch products. This is unlimited versions. This is also very powerful. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. Even if you just purchase my fun and offer. Don't forget, when you purchase them within the Warrior Plus, you will get you will get all my exclusive bonus in the blue button. Just like this. If you just like this. If you don't forget you will get all my exclusive. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. Thanks for your taking time to check out my review and bonus. Thank you for your taking time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.